Microsoft has discovered a one-click account hijacking vulnerability in TikTok. Basically, on the Android version of the app, you could craft a special link that once clicked could grant an attacker full access to primary functions of the account, such as uploading or deleting videos, changing your account bio, and so on. Microsoft has reported this to TikTok at some point way before they mentioned it to the public, and it has since been patched. And luckily, so far there is no evidence anybody actually used and exploited this vulnerability. I don't really know how Microsoft came across this. I mean, why are they searching for TikTok vulnerabilities? But hey, great job, Microsoft, and now please go back to working on Windows. Thank you. So this really is a crazy, scary vulnerability. I mean, literally, you could just, copy and paste links everywhere and get access to tons of TikTok accounts. I mean, there's no skill involved here with actually hijacking an account. So that is the very scary thing here. If this actually went mainstream, literally anybody could just go and copy the link and then do stuff, which is insanely bad. But anyways, Microsoft commended TikTok. TikTok responded quickly. We commend them for the efficient and professional resolution from the security team. Still find it pretty weird, how did Microsoft even discover this? TikTok has nothing to do with Windows, so I don't know, that's really weird to me, and Microsoft Windows itself also has tons of problems, so if you could just get on that would be fantastic. But basically, this vulnerability was made possible because of the deep link functionality of the Android app and the way the OS actually handles these things. And here's actually a demonstration, where they just changed the bio of a random account to security breach. So obviously a pretty major vulnerability, essentially. If you would just get someone to click on your link, people would be able to gain full access to all the main functionality of your account. You would just then have that, to my knowledge, there was no time limit on the exploit, so you could just randomly, whenever you wanted, log into an account, maybe shuffle around some videos, change the bio, annoy people. Who knows? I mean, this is really bad. I mean, for instance, what if somebody, got into my account? What if somebody got into the Daily Tech News? I mean, that would have been catastrophic. What if somebody actually went and posted a news video that wasn't related to tech? I mean, honestly, this is just, it's so scary. I cannot imagine any of my followers seeing a news topic that was not related to tech. So it's very scary. It got me sweating a little bit, but luckily we made it out okay, and hopefully that doesn't happen, because it would essentially be the same as if the world just exploded.